Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to write date calculation that gives the end of month date value. Let's say here we have the order date. I will drag order date to the rows and right click, choose exact date and then convert it to discrete. So from this list of dates I want the date value which is ending for each month. Okay, that I will write one calculated field, create calculated field, end of month date will be the calculation name. So the calculation is, first we will add 1 month to the current date. Okay, date add, so we'll add 1 month comma order date. Let's see the output of this calculation. So we want to add 1 month, so we'll provide 1 as the interval and then click OK. Now drag this calculation onto the rows, right click and choose exact date and then convert it to discrete. So this calculation added 1 month to the existing order date. So this one is January, we have added 1 month, so it became February. Next I will modify this calculation to truncate the dates. Okay, so date trunc month and close the bracket. Okay, now let's see the output. Click apply. So if you see here, for every month, every order date, we have the beginning date of the next month. Okay, so this one is January 2nd, so current output is next month beginning date. Okay, first if you go anywhere here, so 23 June 2021, so our calculation is giving next month first date. So if we subtract -1 to this calculation, we will get the end date of the current month. Select end date of the order date. Okay, so for that we can use DATEADD function again, DATEADD. So we will subtract 1 day comma -1 comma, and then we can close the bracket here, then click OK. Now if you see here, we have the end date of each month. So order date is 28/6/2021 and the end date of that month is 30/6/2021. So we got the end date of the month. If you want to display end date month sales, now write one more calculation, create calculated field, end of month filter. Okay, now I will write order date is equal to end of month date and then click OK. Now if I drag this calculation to the view, you can see the true is present only at the end date of the each month. Okay, to see true value here, it will be end date of that month. Now drag this end date of month filter to the filters and then select true, click OK. Now you have the data for end date of every month. You can remove this end date of month and show the sales, so we can compare the sales, how the sales is performing at the end of month. Okay, so that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe. Thank you.